start. It has given me great pleasure to have been able to visit the gold mines this morning. Full stop. I have wandered about this country a great deal and also visited this state on 3 previous occasions. Full stop. But I have visited the gold mines for the first time this morning. Full stop. You can therefore easily understand how happy I am to have seen many things which I did not see before. Full stop. I had seen many times, some of which operate in the state from which I come. Full stop. There I had seen coal mines, copper mines, iron mines, mica mines, but I had not seen a gold mine because it does not exist elsewhere. Full stop. So it was a matter of real pleasure that I came here and saw the working of the gold mines in your area. Full stop. In this country, nature has endowed us with a great deal of wealth which is hidden in the bowels of the earth. Full stop. We have not been able so far to get a correct and exact picture of what there is under the earth. Full stop. The government is engaged in setting up some sort of an organization which will investigate and estimate our mineral resources. Full stop. Work in this line has been going on, but it is intended to intensify it so that we may go ahead in this direction. Full stop. It is therefore a matter for congratulations that you are doing this kind of work and have been able to strike new fields which you consider to be quite satisfactory from the point of view of work and profit. Full stop. You have no reason to apprehend that the government will do anything which will stand in the way of the development of this important industry. Full stop. We are anxious to develop all our resources. Full stop. It takes a little time for all governments to make up their minds, and especially when they have not all the necessary knowledge and information to enable them to form a correct decision on points. Full stop. I understand a committee has been appointed which is going to look into all the aspects of this question so far as these mines are concerned, and I hope the recommendations of the committee will be such as will help further progress and development of these industries. Full stop. It is in the interest of the government, it is in the interest of the workers, it is in the interest of the companies so far.